Hello everyone! Today I thought I'd share an unboxing and try on of my order from the Lolita brand Sleepyland. So Sleepyland are a size inclusive brand, and even compared to brands like Metamorphose and Maxicimam, who do offer a plus size option, Sleepyland have an actual range of different sizes. I think every dress they've released has at least 3 different size options. And just to give you an idea of what this brand is about, I'll read a small brand introduction from their website.
Sleepyland is a USA-based Lolita and kawaii fashion brand that values size inclusiveness and slow fashion. Our mission is to offer cute, alternative fashion to dreamers of all shapes and sizes. As a slow fashion operation, we fund most of our collections through pre-orders. We design all of our products in-house, including original prints. Whilst handmade items are produced in-house, we outsource manufacturing to our partners in China. As our brand is solely operated by one person, please expect additional processing time.
So the series I ordered from is Sleepyland's Fancy Mahou Shoujo Patisserie, which is actually a re-release of the same series that they made in 2021. However, they didn't just re-release this exactly the same as the original, this is a new and improved version according to the brand. They added 2 more colourway options, an apron, a bib-style bodice, a huge bow at the back, and more. The whole print and design has been revamped. I ordered the JSK and blouse both in the white colourway and the KC in the light pink colourway. So here is the JSK and it is so beautiful. This is a magical girl theme print, which is such a fun idea. The bodice design is full of so much detail. I absolutely love the frosting along the top, the frosted heart buttons, the heart and star lace and trims, the polka dots in the print, the bib style top. It's all so perfect and you can tell so much love was put into this design. The apron is detachable so I can wear it with other dresses, which is amazing. I love when a main piece comes with detachable accessories. It feels like you're getting more for your money. This print is so perfect. The pastel rainbow colours are just so cute and yummy looking. I also love the mix of polka dots and stripes in the print. I always talk about how much I love them together. The back features a huge pink bow which goes all the way down to the bottom of the dress, and this is specific to the re-release. It was such a great idea to add this. It's so cute, and the polka dot lace is absolutely adorable. I haven't even tried it on yet, but so far I am very happy with this dress. I also bought the matching blouse to go with this dress since I do need more blouses in my wardrobe anyway. This also came in 3 colours, the same as the JSK, so there was a pink, white and sax colourway, and this is the white one. It has the same polka dot lace as the dress and the ribbon at the front is detachable. I really love the cut of this blouse, it's very sweet and unique. It definitely needs a good steam before I wear it though, which is absolutely fine, I expected that. I did realise that Sleepyland's pieces do come very wrinkled, which is no problem because I have a steamer anyway, but yeah, just a little warning I guess. And finally I also got the matching headband. These also came in 3 colourways, dark pink, light pink and sax, and this is the light pink colourway. It's a really cute maid style headband which goes with the whole cafe vibe with the apron too. So here is the full set and it's all so cute. It's actually my first white main piece in my wardrobe, which is really exciting. I really am starting to fall in love with pastel colours again recently, which you've probably noticed. My wardrobe has developed a lot this year, which is fun. So my original idea for this video was to do an unboxing and a try on at home, but instead I thought it would be even more fun to make a full coordinate with this dress and then take you guys with me to the Sanrio cafe in Brighton. So I guess from now on this video is a vlog, but I am wearing the full Sleepyland set and I'll show you my full coordinate properly soon. Me and my friend Alice are in London for a whole week for Hyperjapan convention, and because Alice has never been to the Sanrio cafe, it was a perfect opportunity this week to take her and our friend Somo to the super cute My Melody and Kuromi cafe. So we made it to the cafe. The current theme is still My Melody and Kuromi, which is great because they're my favourite Sanrio characters. The downstairs has a My Melody and Kuromi themed gift shop. They do have other Sanrio character items, but it's mainly My Melody and Kuromi. So let's have a little look around what they have. We ordered food and drinks, so we're heading upstairs to sit down, and oh my god, I know I've been here a couple of times now and I say it every time, but guys, look how perfect this cafe is. It feels like such a dream. It is so cute. I honestly can't believe that this is in the UK. I brought my My Melody plushie to go with my coordinate. I feel like she matches it so well, and I also brought her to match the cafe as well, of course. So I ordered the Kuromi chocolate brownie sundae. It didn't say on the menu, but they can actually make this vegan, which is wonderful. It was really yummy. And I also got the My Melody Sakura latte with soy milk. The food and drinks are actually good, and I'm so happy that they have vegan options. I think the whole cafe is actually vegetarian. They don't serve any meat, I'm pretty sure, which is cool. The food isn't like 10 out of 10 Michelin star amazing, because I mean the focus is really the cuteness of everything, but it's definitely not like what you hear of some character themed cafes in Japan, where the food is terrible and it's literally just to take pictures of. Like, the food is good, it's nice. Although the first time I went here in like 2019, I think it was when they had their first theme, which was Guritama. They had a tofu cheesecake, which I think was pretty terrible. Like it tasted like silken tofu on a biscuit, but that was a long time ago, so I'll move on. By the way, I love tofu. I can just eat like a block of silken tofu raw with soy sauce, like hiyayako, but silken tofu on a biscuit is too far. It's too far, even for a 6-year vegan like me. My friend's food looks super cute too. We're all very happy. Alice is very kindly showing us her haul from the cafe. She bought the super cute cafe exclusive My Melody mug, and I actually really love this mug. I always think about getting it when I visit the cafe, but it's too small for the excessive amount of tea that I drink. And she also bought these Sanrio blind boxes that have mini clear files inside. They come in a set of 2, and me and Somo had to join in after seeing how cute Alice's were.
Doing an epic unboxing that My Melody and Hello Kitty and the purple one. Alright guys, let's see what's in here. Oh my god, I might pull a super epic rare this time. This is holy shit, dude. Oh my god, actually.
It's so hard to open stuff with my nails.
Oh, those are cute though.
But I think if this one
If you're getting into wearing socks more, like.
Yeah, I actually wanted this one. Okay. Once we all finished opening our blind boxes, we did a trade together so we could all get the ones that we wanted. We all have pretty different styles, so this was a very friendly trade. Then we moved on to arguably the most important part of the whole day, which was taking coord pictures for each other. Somo is looking incredible in a gothic Kuromi coordinate. And here is Alice's coordinate. She went with a My Sweet Piano theme coord today, as she's her favourite Sanrio character and she looks so cute. She's wearing Angelic Pretty's Fluffy Puff Bunny JSK, which is so perfect for Sweet Piano as she's a very fluffy character. I love how she's used lavender for this coordinate and it gives really dreamy, flowy vibes with the peignoir. I actually really want to get a peignoir for peignoir. Am I saying it right? Sorry. But I really want to get one because I think they look so cute. Alice has really inspired me. And then I also took Alice's coord pictures in this spot too. Look how adorable she is. And here is my coordinate. I'm wearing the full Sleepyland set that I just unboxed. I thought it was perfect to wear to a cafe. I leaned in a little on the magical girl theme with the wand, and I thought the stripes on the My Melody plushie really matched the dress and blouse. I chose the bright yellowy orange wig because I thought it was giving like a magical girl anime character by having such a bright contrasting colour. I actually really love this coord. I'm so impressed with this full set by Sleepyland. I couldn't even imagine it looking this cute, and Alice got some coord pics for me here too. Thank you! Swag. So then we just did some shopping after the cafe. Usually when I go to Brighton, I just focus on the cafe, but it was nice having some time to actually explore Brighton a little afterwards this time. I feel like Brighton has a lot of cute shops. This place was literally right by the cafe, and I may have caved in and bought some Sanrio hair clips. How cute is this My Melody plushie? I'd really love to collect anime figures again in the future, but I really do not need another expensive hobby right now. Sorry guys, there's so many clips of me just being extra in this video because I was really feeling myself in this coordinate. I'm very excited to be wearing full pastels again. Now we're going to have a look in Miniso. Honestly, after visiting Miniso in Madrid in Spain, I'm actually really disappointed by UK ones. It feels like Minisos in mainland Europe stock new Sanrio stuff before we get them in the UK, and I'm jealous. But let's have a look around anyway. It kind of feels like Miniso are getting heavier on bullshit. Then we're heading to the Bandai Gacha store to do some kawaii gambling. Oh, cute!
Oh, is it makeup? Yeah. What is this supposed to be? It's like toner. It's like a dinky toner pads container or something.
Oh, cute.
With nothing inside, but it's cute.
That's cute.
And not this one because I already have it. Like extra not. Is that a seal or a ghost? I think it's a ghost.
Oh, I think it's a ghost.
Please.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Is it?
Well, it is a different one.
That's cute.
Oh,
still.
okay, that's cute.
It is cute.
It's pink.
Nice.
Manifesting.
Furawachi.
I worked. There's a chance. What?
Who is it? Is it Kuchibachi?
Yeah, it's the one I already have. Do you want him? Then we came across this vegan shoe shop, which was really cute. I do try my best to support all vegan businesses when I can. I really wanted this belt, it's so diva, but I couldn't justify it when I only have one pair of jeans. Then we just made a stop for some iced tea. I love tea so much, and what you're about to witness next was maybe the highlight of our trip.
I love it so much. Oh, back above it.
Oh my god. Alex, they have a mug.
Oh my god.
They have a no. The pingush. I have to get it. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but I have to buy it. Oh, the polka dot bag.
Oh, Alice, did you see?
This is so slow.
Oh my god, dude.
So now I'm just going to quickly share my haul with you guys. I didn't want to get too much because it's literally the day before Hyperjapan convention, but yes, of course I had to get the Pingu shirts. And I just got this little vintage teddy bear. I've slowly been trying to collect more plushies in preparation for my new room next month. And I got this super cute pink polka dot bag. I really love finding one-of-a-kind gems in vintage stores for my coordinates to make them more personal to me. And I'll show you what Alice got too. She got this amazing Sylvanian t-shirt and we're going to do matching coords with them. She also got these iconic Sylvanian magnets too. There was a girl on the street doing drawings of what you'd look like as a bug, and Somo got one from her. Look how cute! What is Alice getting? It's her fortune. Crack it open.
It's just quotes.
It's quotes! What bullshit is this? The secret of getting
From a man.
Oh.
A quote from a man.
This is about walking. I know how to walk.
After our day of shopping, I made it my mission to go to this fully vegan fast food joint, which they only have down south. I heard that somebody smashed their window recently, so it was extra reason to go and support them. Probably the hardest thing about being vegan is seeing your favourite things only exist for a limited amount of time, so I really do try and support vegan food spots when I can to keep them open, because I don't want them to disappear. I love these burgers. I got the flaming hot chicken burger with fries, and it was so good. I genuinely considered going back for another one. And that was it for my day in Brighton. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing / try-on vlog. Have I just created like a new video style, the try-on vlog? Maybe it already exists. But yeah, I am absolutely obsessed with this cohort. To be honest, I really recommend taking a look at Sleepyland's pieces if you have the chance. This was just the first vlog of my time in London, and I'm already editing all the footage that I got from Hyperjapan convention, and I'll do my best to get those out as soon as possible. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!